all of Porthcawl are delighted to be associated with the Welsh Blood Service. It's very straightforward. We contact them, they come and make all the arrangements, and we're able to chip in and put something back into a system that we value greatly.
I think it's absolutely vital that we encourage young people to give blood, to raise the percentage of people who give blood in Wales. Now is the time to encourage them and inform them of the importance of giving blood and how much of a precious gift it is.
Mention it in assemblies, via our sixth form daily bulletins, and also via email and the posters around school. We're just so proud of our students saving lives by donating blood, and of course starting them from an early age. They'll probably continue to do it for the rest of their lives, hopefully, and of course it looks good on their CVs and also on their UCAS application forms.
As a school, it's had a fantastic effect on what we do. The buzz on the day of the donations and everything going on within the sixth form area. I'd encourage every school to try and get involved. It's such a fantastic thing for young people to get involved with, and also we found a lot of community links have been strengthened as a result of it.
We were told this morning actually that with the blood we're donating today can actually go on to save 8 babies' lives, which is an amazing feeling, honestly. Just to know that just by going through such a small process and something that it takes no time at all really, that you can make a difference in so many people's lives, and it's just an amazing feeling.